Okay, so the diagram, great start. The diagram below shows a plan for a trapezium-shaped window. Three sides of the window are 2 meters long. The angle between the sloping sides of the window and the base is theta, where it can be between 0 all the way up to pi on 2. Show that the area of the trapezium is given by that function there. Determine the value of theta that will maximize the area of the window. So, a couple of tricky tricks that we've got here. First things first, if you have no idea how to generate this function, you can still do part B. All you have to do is try and determine the value of theta to maximize the area of the window using this. Okay, because you already know stuff about how to maximize. That generally means you're taking the derivative, you're letting it equal 0. If you get two solutions, you're testing which one's higher, or you can take the derivative again and you can find out where it's increasing. You know, personally, I'd throw them back in, but, you know, up to you, whatever makes you happy. Okay, so the three sides of the window are 2 meters long. Now, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the area for a trapezium. So A plus B divided by 2 times H. Now, you are given this formula. It is on your formula sheet. All you have to do is use your lovely little eyeballs to have a look at it. Okay, so A, we'll call that the short side. That's 2 meters. B, we're going to say that B is the 2 meters. And then this side here is also X. So that means that for B, we've got 2 plus 2X. H is going to be the length of Y. Okay, so I'm going to start by substituting these back in. Actually, before we do that, we'll talk about this. So if this is theta, this is my opposite, this is my adjacent side. So if I want to work out what Y is, I need to do sine. So it's going to be sine theta equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine of some angle is going to be equal to Y over 2 because this length is 2. So then Y equals 2 sine theta. Okay, by the same logic, X is going to be equal to 2 cos theta. So we'll do that substitution after we do the first bit. So area is going to be equal to 2 plus, substitute in B, 2 plus 2x, bracket, bracket, all divided by 2. I'm halfway through a video and I don't know how to pause. I'll come out in like 5 minutes. Times Y. Okay, so I'm going to use this 2 to cancel out all of these 2's, which means up here I'll have 1 plus 1 makes 2, and I've got plus x, and that is all going to be multiplied by y. So the next part of my substitution is I'm going to use y in here, and I'm going to put the cos, 2 cos here. Okay, so equals bracket 2 plus 2 cos theta multiplied by 2 sine theta. Okay, and so now I can just multiply. So this one times that one will get me 4 sine theta. This one times that one will get me plus 4 cos theta sine theta. That now matches that. So I can say, therefore, left-hand side equals right-hand side. Okay, and I guess we'll do this in 2 parts.